Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use DATEDIF function in WPS spreadsheet. So for example, we have here columns with dates and we have here column with today's date. If you want to calculate number of days, number of months and number of years between this date and today, you need to use DATEDIF function. So now I type here equals sign, I type here DATEDIF, I open the bracket, then I select this date, I press comma, I select the end date, so our end date is today's date, so I click on this one, date, and I need to use shortcut from my keyboard, function and F4 to lock this cell, or alternatively you can type here the symbols of dollars. Then I type here comma, and here we need to type one from available comparison units, so it is the number of days, so I will type here D, so I type quotation mark, I type D, I type quotation mark, and I close the bracket. Then I press enter, and how you see number of days between these dates is calculated here. So if I want to apply this function to other dates, I need to click on the cell and I need to click double time on this green square. Now I will calculate the number of months. So I need to click double time here, I type here equal sign, I type here DATEDIF, I open the bracket, and again I select this date, I type comma, I select this date, I use function and F4 shortcut, I use comma, and this time I type quotation mark and type here M. Now I type quotation mark again and I close the bracket. Then I press enter, and here we have result number of months between these dates. Now I click on this cell, I click double time on this green square, and I will calculate now number of years. So I type here equal sign, I type here DATEDIF, I open the bracket, I select the start date, I press comma, I select the today's date, I use function and F4 shortcut, I press comma, I open quotation mark, and this time I type Y, I type quotation mark, and I close the bracket and I press enter. Now I click on this cell, I click double time on the green square, and how you see everything works correctly. But of course remember, for example for this date, we have number of years 0. It's logical because we have only 3 months between this date and this date, so we can say that it is 1 year between these years because it is only 3 months. It is not full year. I think it is clear for you. So it is how it works. If I helped you to calculate it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.